I'm not bald, you guys. There's a ponytail back here. Kind of bald, but not all the way bald, you know? What's up?
One, two, three, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. Today I'm going to be doing a little braces do's and don'ts video. I did a poll on my community YouTube tab and this video won over the closet clean out, so we're doing this video today. In my last video I forgot to thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful and happy and just filled with joy and love. I finally reached my goal of being monetized, and I owe it all to you guys, so thank you guys so much. Okay, and we are just gonna discuss the elephant in the room. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my skin right now. She is just not happy, she's not thriving, and I feel for her and I really want her to get better. So yeah, she's just going to be sitting here enjoying the video as well, so yeah. Okay, but this video is basically for people that have braces or getting braces, or you just want to learn about braces. This video is for you. And I've had my braces for almost a year. October 1st will make a year. So I know a little bit of what I'm talking about, but okay, I have a list of things to talk about on my phone, so I'm going to be looking down there. Let me find it first. Okay, so this is going in no certain order. Yeah, so let's just begin. Okay, the first thing I have is braces color. Okay, you don't want to choose like a color that will bring out the yellow in your teeth. And everyone's teeth is like naturally yellow. That doesn't mean you're like dirty or anything. But colors like yellow, white, maybe I think clear, they bring out the yellow in your teeth. The best colors I would say is like dark colors like blues, pinks, purples, black, green. I think those colors look really good on your teeth. Okay, my next tip would be don't use whitening, or if you do use it, just don't use too much, because they tell you when you first get your braces on not to, because since you have braces over your teeth, it will leave a stain, like little squares, since you aren't whitening the parts under your teeth. I think that's what they said, so I'm just following orders, but I don't think you should, because I'm scared of having stains on my teeth after, because it is about the end results. Okay, the next thing is floss frequently. I know it's hard, believe me, I know. And they're going to show you when you first get your braces on how to floss. It's very time consuming, but you get the hang of it. And it's really important to floss because since you have braces, a lot of food can get stuck in there and just make it all smell bad. And then you don't want your teeth to rot. So, you know, you want to keep your hygiene in check. And also, like, you can also get a water flosser. I know I've heard that they're way easier to floss your teeth. I don't know how much those cost. I think they might be expensive, but I hear that they're worth it. So okay, the next thing is probably a well-known one, but watch what you eat. You know, we're not supposed to eat gum or chew gum, but like I chew gum every now and then, and it doesn't like do anything bad for me. But things like biting into apples or chewing on ice, or like eating corn on the cob, popcorn, those stuff can break your brackets. And I don't know about y'all, but for me, if I break my bracket, like they give you a certain amount of like slides, but at a certain time you're gonna have to start paying more if you keep breaking your brackets. So I'm not trying to break my brackets. I don't know if that's for you guys either, but yeah, I mean, just watch what you eat because you don't want to mess up the process of your braces, you know? And then like popcorn just gets like stuck all between and just makes it like difficult. I really didn't like popcorn before I got braces because it got stuck everywhere still, so that's the thing with popcorn. Okay, the next thing is don't miss your appointments. You know, when you miss your appointments, you get behind and you're gonna have your braces on for even longer if they can't change out the wires and the colors and then do the stuff that they need to do. You'll have your braces on longer. The longer you have them, the more you pay. So me, I'm trying to have mine off as soon as possible. So yeah, don't miss your appointments, and if you do, just make sure you call them before the day and reschedule, because I think if I do it the same day, I have to pay a fee. But that just might be mine. I don't know about y'all's orthodontist, but that's how it is for me. So yeah, just try not to miss your appointments. Okay, so the next thing I have is take medicine like Advil or just painkillers before you get your braces on, because it's not gonna hurt like right after, but a couple hours later it'll hurt. It'll feel like sore. So I advise you to take that before you get them, just so it'll save you from the pain. And also for tightening, because tightening at first it did hurt for me as well, but now I guess I'm used to it. It doesn't hurt that much, so it'll be good to take a painkiller before your appointment. And also Orajel really helps a lot. Like if the pain's really bad, I like for my first time getting them on, I used a lot of Orajel, so that helps a lot as well. Always wear your rubber bands. I don't have rubber bands right now. I'll probably get them later, I don't know, but you know, just wear them, because like I said, if you don't do what they say, it'll probably make the time that you have braces longer. And you know, I think most people with braces just want to get theirs off right away, even though I actually really like my braces. I think I love the way it looks, so, but I'm just ready for the end result. So yeah, wear your rubber bands. I can't say too much because I haven't gotten them, but okay. Also, always have a braces kit with you, and in the braces kit I would have like floss or wax if like a wire is poking you, a xoxo brush just to help get food out of your teeth, and I'd always try to like have like a water bottle just in case. You don't know when you're gonna eat, you know, and if you have something in your braces and you want to like swig it around like that to help get the food out, you can. No one wants to walk around with food in their braces, and it's probably happened to all of us. So you know, just save yourself the embarrassment and, you know, have your little braces kit with you. Okay, the next thing is have a soft toothbrush, because the hard ones, you don't want to like break anything, but the soft ones, they do tend to like not get everything. So make sure you use the little xoxo brushes and get in there and get any missed foods or anything like that, because it is really hard to clean your teeth with braces on, honestly. So you just gotta put in the extra effort because you want to keep your hygiene on point. Okay, and try to brush like as often as you eat, because you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner will be stuck in there like all day. So brush as often as possible, because you know, at a certain point it's just not gonna smell too good. So okay, and that's all the do's and don'ts that I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for 2,000 subscribers. I love each and every one of you. If you have made it up to this point, leave a, let me find an emoji because I don't know. Ooh, leave a tooth emoji since it has something to do with braces. But because I like to see who watched my videos all the way through, and it's like an inside joke. So leave that down below in the comments. Love you guys so much. Again, okay, let me go now because I just keep rambling. So bye. Oh, do you guys like my nails? We outie.